New Music Friday is the trending Spotify playlist that all emerging artists want to be placed on. This hot list includes the best new music that's being added to the service that week. And the best part is New Music Friday gets more than 60,000 streams each day, making it fantastic exposure for your tracks. Previously, only artists signed to major labels were able to get on Spotify playlists. However, when you have enough quantity of streams and positive reactions to your songs, the Spotify algorithm may place your tracks on this coveted playlist. When your track is added to Spotify official playlist, you will enjoy a huge boost your career as an artist with benefits like increased streams of your tracks and more Spotify followers, recognition for your hard work and commitment to providing top-rate music for your audience's listening pleasure, and more substantial income from your music. Some of our clients have enjoyed the distinction of being added to the best and most popular Spotify playlists, including New Music Friday, Rap Caviar, Rock Anthems, New Pop Revolution, and many more. It's no secret that everyone yearns for a spot on playlists with huge numbers of followers, and some of those playlists are curated and constantly refreshed with new songs. For example, New Music Friday is refreshed every week, so your song can only potentially appear on the list for the first week it's added to Spotify. However, other official Spotify playlists such as Dreamy Vibes, Soul Lodge, or Rap Caviar made to continue to include your songs and give you massive exposure to subscribers for weeks, months, or even years. We understand that success in the music business takes time, but don't worry, we are here to guide you through the process and help you in every way possible so that your career as an artist takes the best course to propel you to success. The first step in submitting your music for a chance at getting on Spotify playlists is to verify your Spotify artist profile. This is necessary in order to send your tracks to the Spotify curators who decide what's included on the playlist. Head to the Spotify artist page, log in with your artist account, and fill out the profile information as completely as possible. Your profile is an important part of the decision-making process when it comes to inclusion on playlists. Spotify takes pride in their platform as the #1 streaming service, and their playlist curators give preference to artists who offer detailed profiles that include great photos and graphics. Don't skimp on this area, take the time to write an appealing biography and be sure to include plenty of photos, logos, and other artwork along with links to your website and social media accounts. Although the Spotify audience may not visit artist profiles very often, the platform curators do. Keep in mind that you want to impress the curators, which in turn will lead to greater audience exposure through Spotify playlist placement. Want more information on catching the attention of Spotify curators? Check out our article on how to create a fantastic Spotify artist profile. Find the link in the video description. Here are some key points to keep in mind before you send in your playlist submission. First, to be considered for inclusion on playlists, your track must be unreleased. Second, keep in mind that in order to make the playlist, you must submit your song to Spotify 4 weeks before the release date. This time frame allows for pitching and distribution prior to the track's release. 3. The playlist submission page will only allow you to submit one track at a time. If you have a full album to release, you will have to pick one song for submission and then wait until it's released to submit another. Choose your song wisely. 4. The submission form for playlists is only available through the desktop version of Spotify's website. You won't be able to access the form from a mobile device. Let's get to the important part of this video, how to get on Spotify playlists. First, head to the submission page of the Spotify artist section. Under the upcoming tab, you will find a button called Pitch a Song. This is what we are here for. The button becomes available once your digital distributor has uploaded your track to Spotify. So you will need to get your distributor to upload your song at least 4 weeks before the release date in order to submit it. The Pitch a Song button only appears prior to release and will disappear once your song is live on Spotify. Now that your song has been uploaded, it's time to submit the correct track information to Spotify. When you click on the Pitch a Song button, you will be brought to a page that will ask you general information about your track. Select the main genre of your song first and then choose your subgenres. Your subgenre selection is critical because it's easier to get on a smaller subgenre official playlists than the larger main categories. The next step in describing your song to Spotify is music culture, which relates to any religious or cultural influences on your music. For example, if your song contains Christian lyrics, it will have a higher chance to land on the top Christian official playlist. If none of those cultural options apply to your track, select the none of these options. Moods. The next step in song description lets you highlight the types of emotions you intend to convey with your track. After that is song styles, where you will indicate whether your track is a live production, an in-studio recording, an acoustic version, or something else. You will also choose the language of your lyrics, whether the song is a cover, remix, or instrumental, and which instruments are featured in this track. You can also specify your location during the submission process in order to target local fans and playlists near you. For example, if you're from Ireland and your track is a folk song, you will have a good chance to get on the official Spotify playlist Irish Folk Ballads. Finally, the Tell Us More section is where you will actually describe your song in order to pitch the track to Spotify's curators. This section is crucial to demonstrate the quality and care that you placed into creating and recording the song, and will provide the curators with a sense of authenticity and priority during the selection process. Now it's time for the real pitch. You must take care with the way you sell your music or yourself as an artist on Spotify. The curators are interested in how the submitted songs will impact themselves, their audience, and Spotify's overall audience development. Be sure to include impactful details if you have them, such as if you have worked with a well-known producer, collaborated with a recognized artist, or been featured on a popular show, for example, podcast, YouTube channel, radio, or television. You should also add some keywords that describe which communities you want to influence and help narrow down your genre or style. Here's an example of a successful Tell Us More section. You could also include information about your marketing plans, such as band name plans an extensive advertising campaign on Instagram and TikTok to promote their new single on Spotify. Demonstrating your willingness to market your Spotify music submissions yourself helps to show your commitment to promoting both yourself and the Spotify platform. Be sure you review your submission carefully before hitting the submit button to be sure that the information you have provided will indicate the most suitable playlist for your song. We also recommend researching the artists or bands you are influenced by and seeing which Spotify playlists they have been featured on, whether they appear on major playlists or niche subgenres with few followers. Never judge a playlist by the numbers. These days, rising artists have a great opportunity to gain placement on the biggest Spotify playlist through the submission feature. Although your account will not show whether your track is being evaluated for inclusion, you can keep an eye on the new playlist added to your dashboard inside of your artist account to watch for your song. More than 75,000 artists are constantly featured on Spotify's playlists, and not everyone makes it to those lists. Here at playlistpromotion.com, we help you promote your music the right way. Our team of specialists listens carefully to all the tracks that we receive every day for promotion and are constantly pitching those submitted tracks to hundreds of independent playlist curators. If you need more help submitting your song to Spotify, or if you would like to know more about our services, please feel free to contact us anytime. It will be our pleasure to help you gain a wider audience for your music. Good luck with your submissions.